Yeah, you just slammed down to
and then you get that trumpeting noise in, another landing on time.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, very warm welcome to Bristol. The local time has just gone 5 minutes to 2. Please do remain seated with seatbelts securely fastened until the signs have been switched off in the panel above you. It is important that we may stop more than once or suddenly whilst taxiing to our final stand. All devices for registering calls or internet access must remain switched off until you're inside the terminal building, and a reminder that smoking is still not permitted until you find yourselves inside a designated smoking area. Before you leave us this afternoon, please ensure you do have all of your personal belongings with you. Have one final check into the seat pockets, the surrounding floor areas and the overhead lockers. Do though take care when opening the lockers, as the contents may have shifted during the flight and may fall from them. Finally then, on behalf of Captain Bertie Blair and the rest of the crew, it has been our pleasure to have you on board this afternoon. Thank you for choosing to fly with easyJet. Do have a very safe and pleasant homeward journey. Once again, thank you and good afternoon. Once again, for your continued safety and those travelling with you, please ensure that seatbelts remain fastened on yourselves and any young children you may be travelling with. Thank you.
We're missing numbers, Anna. See, you're missing numbers. I've seen them all. BB's was that.
Cabin crew to soft doors for arrival.